Will is really back there in the back. Nowhere to be found. Uh-oh, it's getting close right here, y'all. It's getting close right here. Uh-oh. And then you got Will.
Bottom line is, Rich, I wake up in the morning with this actually. You know what I'm saying? So I just do what it takes to win. You know what I mean? I'm a born winner.
It's a lot of rappers saying no, they got to kill me. It's a lot of niggas want me dead, but I ain't dead.
Why you in the handicap?
My nigga, I know you snitch. That's
getting good. Look at Will. He's just back there cruising at this point. Hey, this drive down this way and skip the line. Bro, who caused it?
Don't worry about it. We got money in this. Just know.
Who handicap sign is that?
I'm handicapped.
Hey.
You can't fuck up my seats because they white.
You might as well just take everybody.
Hey, Rich, for real, like, bro, no, for real,
no,
come on.
For real, I'm dead.
Let's go.
You might take all of them. Hey, I'm in here. My car's gonna stay here for real.
I mean, if you dropping Rich back off here, I mean,
yeah,
you know, other side. Other side. Hey.
What, he almost forgot Blick?
Yo, what is good, Snipes gang? Yo, I'm about to show the fellas how we do this here. Woo! What up, y'all? Y'all ready? Your boy came through on top. I killed everybody. You should have seen it. It was crazy. I came right first. I dusted him by a whole lap.
Hey, your real champion is here to talk to y'all. I fell asleep at the finish line waiting for him all, for real.
He ain't lying, he really did. Yo, my car was so slow, I like had to let y'all through. I was like, I'm not picking that. Hey, we not picking yellow. We is not picking yellow.
How you still have number one?
No, y'all was going so fast. I looked back, I'm like, they building up speed. So
said black don't crack, baby. Black don't crack. That's the one. I'm trying to catch.
Hey, I was gonna catch Jovan, but
he was waving us up. He was waving us
You saw me up top? I like, hey.
Like, man, just go past. Just go past.
You know, your boy ain't in this one, y'all. CEO stick. I done already left him in the first one. It was too easy. Oh, here they go. Will is really back there in the back. Nowhere to be found. Uh-oh, it's getting close right here, y'all. It's getting close right here. Uh-oh. And then you got Will. I'm talking about I'll be winning by a landslide. This shit ain't close. See how they shit close? Hold on, y'all. He coming back around the bend right now. See, Jovan is still up front. Uh-oh. Rob might take a move right here, though. But Jovan played it smart by the blockade. Jovan, oh! Rob almost had him. Rob almost had him. He lost his hat. He lost his hat. Celebration going wrong, and he is taking. Oh, that's gonna get good at the end, y'all. That's gonna get good. And then here go Will. Here go Will. Shout out to 17T, La Familia, the gang, Sniper gang. Y'all know we here. Uh-oh, it's getting good, fellas. It's getting good. Look at Will. He's just back there cruising at this point. Hey, this drive down this way and skip the line. This is definitely over. Will didn't stand a chance. Let's see if Rob can pull off a last minute hooray. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is Jovan gonna do it? Can Jovan do it? And it looked like Jovan had sealed the victory. Rod came in second. Will is still not on the bend yet. Oh, there he goes. Now here comes Will. 30 minutes later.
Hey, that's easy. Hey, you was back here doing right. Hey, I want my money though. Hey, you lucky I was trying to string you out. I could have got you easy. You could have. I know. I was expecting you to. I'm just string you out, but I was like, no, let me not. Because he gonna try and pull up some rule. Hey, he tried. Hey, he couldn't pass me. Will. Hey, Will was back there joyriding, bro. Hey, you was with us for the first good 6 seconds, bro.
Hey, as soon as you took off, I'm like, this is not about to.
What you gotta say?
I just want a fucking good car, bro.
All right, so we're here with the winner of the last race. You know, you still came in second on the leaderboard, but you're first in this race. If I could ask you a couple of things, you know.
I don't know what you're doing.
It's all right. You just put them down, honestly. But basically, sir, you know, when you took off on the finish line, what did you find was helpful for your car than the other people's car?
Bottom line is, Rich, I wake up in the morning with piss accidents. You know what I'm saying? So I just do what it takes to win. You know what I mean? I'm a born winner. Bottom line, Rob can't fuck with me. They can't hang with my stuff. You know?
Wait a second. I got double or nothing on this race. What's up?
Hold on. We can get to Rob.
I'm gonna get to you, sir.
My next thing is, now, you say he couldn't fuck with you, but I did see him in some instance on the lot of the bends. He kind of has you almost with the what they like to call a slingshot.
See, the problem is with that, he doesn't know his physics, right?
Okay.
So he tried to take it too short, but I'm a master at driving, so I cut him off and I took it wide, and I took my angles right. You know what I mean? I'm a new up-and-coming racer. You know what I mean? I just got my license, so it's a great way to stay in shape. You know what I mean?
All right, actually, we're going to go up to you. Congratulations on your victory today.
Appreciate it, sir.
We are going to bring up Mr. Rob now.
Appreciate it. Nice to meet you.
Rob, I should say, it seemed like you had it, sir. Came a little short, second place, but you gave up a good fight.
You know what I'm saying?
What you feel like went wrong?
At the end of the day, my man, he did race good. He raced good. I get that to him, you know what I'm saying? Me, being a good sport, you know what I'm saying? I didn't want to spin him out, because I did have him in a little instance. Came around the corner. We was neck and neck. Didn't want to spin him out, because I didn't want no little, you know, my man to be saying, oh, he spin me out at the end. No, you know, I kept it. I was a good sport. Look at this. On game day, 85 don't stretch. Anybody who know number 85, we don't stretch.
It's 84.
So if everybody asking why 84 ain't stretching, y'all know I don't stretch. Anybody pay attention to Viking football, 84 don't stretch on game day.
It's 84.
Oh, it is.
I think it's 84, sir. But
I'm gonna walk away. I'm gonna walk away and get my ticket.
we are good.
It's that Patron talking. Damn, oh, 85 on those things. I'm tripping. He don't stretch neither though. He a great one.
Will, we are bringing Mr. Snipes in. Will. Now, talk to me.
I know I get an interview, but that's cool.
Yeah, you know, once you participate, you get on here.
Oh, it's one of them awards.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, little TV time.
Gotcha.
So, you know what? Maybe I should just let you talk and just really just say what the fuck was happening.
I don't really think you should interview him. He was low key getting Chick-fil-A while we was on the finish line.
Yeah, Chick-fil-A.
Hey, look, we was coming around. We was coming over top. He waves to us like,
I went to y'all a couple times.
we already under the underpass.
The disrespect that you were getting is
I was hoping he'll give me a little speed, like.
That joint was so.
so well. So
I keep asking them what car is good, and they keep giving me the bad one.
do you think maybe it was sabotage?
I think they set me up.
I don't think so.
They set me up. I used to date her.
Oh, so.
Oh, you used to date her?
Oh, so that's what was going on.
That's what it is.
I was like, oh, damn.
Sabotaged by prior relationship. Got it.
So, I mean.
So I don't feel like that was fair for me because I get to show my skills.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
So.
What skills?
Look like you might have another shot. Somebody got sick. They got COVID.
Who got sick?
It's one of the racers in the finalists. So I guess you might have an opportunity to
What
prove
car
yourself.
was it? Cause
It wasn't a black car. Stick don't get sick.
It damn sure was the yellow car.
We're out of here, man. Speedway. You know, Dennis 500. Speed demon.
Yeah, bitch, you know my name, you know I keep it. Drop. I just pulled up before in my Sprite remix. Really niggas claim they drinking ain't shit, they can keep it. Shit, big like he the shit, it ain't no secret. These niggas hate me, but
You said that you was coming off, and now you going home.
I did come on.
Nah, bro.
You said where we going?
Yeah, you different, dog. You different, you know that? I just want you to know. I just want you to acknowledge the type of shit that you be on. Can you acknowledge that for me? Can you acknowledge that for me?
I said sure it is.
That's crazy. So you're home now, huh?
I'm about to be here like about 2 minutes.
Wow. Wow.
So what you gonna do? We gonna say everybody say it one time? What we doing?
Everybody say it one time, nigga. Snipes gang. Bro, I hate you, bro. I swear to God. I hate you, nigga.
Hey, why you in the handicap, bro?
What's this in my head, the devil?
Why you in the handicap, bro?
Demons to the left, yo. I'ma stand 10 toes down, nigga. Heaven no hate up, y'all. It's a lot of rappers saying no, they got to tell. Hey, it's a lot of niggas want me dead, but I ain't dead.
Why you in the handicap?
My nigga, I know you snare. Y'all jumped up in the rap game.
What happened?
On the fucking rig.
Something wrong with your leg?
On the paper route, man, you motherfucking bitch.